Okay, so we're cat testing Duke. Hi, Bubby. Hi. What's he doing? Look at that little tail. Look at his little tail just a wagging. Who's that? He's just now meeting Elizabeth. Yes, he's a sweet boy. He's such a sweet boy. He looked at the kitty once, and he hasn't been too interested in seeing her. He just wants pets from Elizabeth. So now we're gonna back him up a few steps, and then we're gonna have Elizabeth get the kitty out. Come here, come here, good boy. Wait, wait. Oh, come here. Hold on, Duke. Good boy. That's a good boy. Flossie doesn't want to get out. She knows what's going on. Oh, he's turned away from her. Come on. What? What? What is that? Is that a kitty? Oh, he turned away again. Come on. Duke, come on. I can't even get him to look at her. Hold her in your arms. Is he the kitty? Hmm? Look, you see the kitty? Hmm? No? All right, set her back down again. Duke, you see the kitty? Yeah, I think he's afraid of her. Come on. I can understand. Flossie's a little bit intimidating. Come on.
Look, Bubba. This is the kitty.
You see the kitty? You see the kitty? Hmm?
Is Sasha here?
Is Sasha still here?
Yeah.
I think so.